The advent of the COVID-19 vaccine has been met with applause and scrutiny. But what is a vaccine and how does it work?
A vaccine is a biological agent that is part of a microorganism or a germ that is causing a disease. This agent has been killed or inactivated or weakened, which can be introduced into the body through an injection or through the mouth, and it stimulates the immune system so that when the real virus enters your body, your antibodies or your body can be able to fight these germs so that it prevents severe disease and death.
Why is it important for people living with diabetes to get the COVID-19 vaccine?
As in other countries, in Botswana, people with diabetes have been disproportionately been affected by COVID-19. So most of the hospitalizations and the deaths that do occur, they occur with people with comorbidities. As we know, diabetes is part of those comorbidities that we found here, even in Botswana. Studies that have been done abroad, like in the US, has shown that people who are under the age of 65, half of them who died had diabetes.
Are the COVID-19 vaccines safe and effective for people living with diabetes?
Yes, vaccines are safe. We know that there are rumors that are going around in social media and other media platforms about the ineffectiveness or the lack of safety of this vaccine. But one thing that we can assure is that all the vaccines that have been approved as of currently have gone through clinical trials. And these clinical trials have tested the vaccine effectiveness and safety. And then these clinical trials also included people with diabetes in them. So the effectiveness of these vaccines as well as the safety of these vaccines have been tested for people living with diabetes. But it is quite important to know that any medical substance or medical treatment has adverse events or that follows, or side effects that follows after this have been administered. And some of these adverse events which are common with the COVID-19 vaccine include pain at the injection site, or swelling or redness at the injection site, or systemic symptoms like fatigue or fever. These are some of the symptoms that are mainly common after vaccination with COVID-19 vaccine. People living with diabetes are more likely to be hospitalized or die from COVID-19 compared to the normal population. So vaccination is more beneficial in this group of population because it reduces hospitalization and reduces deaths in people with comorbidities. So people with diabetes are more likely to benefit than the normal population because of this.